here somewhere. Cool. Yeah, I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna overstuff stuff. I hope none of this stuff freaking like falls out in the oven or something, but it shouldn't. We should be fine. We should be a. We should be a okay. A okay. Make it thick. Yes. That's how I like my pizza, man. Like my pizza, how I like my women. I'm sorry. Not sorry, but whatever. I said it. I said it. I said it. What kind of bread is that? It's not really like a bread. It's like a. It's basically like a wrap. You know that a wrap that you would use to make like burritos and stuff. But it's like a high. It's a high fiber wrap, so the net carbs on it is pretty low. So that's why I like to use. That's what I like to use for these. Makes a big difference though. It's still good. It's still get the same like flavor profile and everything too. Pepperoni one definitely looking good. I think I like the barbecue one more for sure. But both are good though. Both are good. I'm not complaining about it, either of them, because it's all going the same place in my fucking belly, bro. Prove it with science. Prove science. Prove it science. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you though. Like after I made these, when I made these the other day. I made these on Sunday. Yeah, I went to the bathroom like immediately. Probably like 10 minutes after. So we'll see how this goes after I eat these. But I mean, to be fair though, all the stuff that I've been using has been like has had like some sort of fiber in them. Like the um the uh the cheeseburger sliders that I made before, that had those were high fiber buns. Those were keto buns. Um the nachos that I made previously basically use these same wraps too. I'm about to say, yeah, when I say, man, we've used these wraps on the stream more than once, man. We definitely have. And now I am putting stuff away. Into the right spot we go. What if you try garlic butter for the next pizza you make? As like a what? As like a dipping sauce? The sauce instead of tomato and barbecue? I don't know if I don't know if the butter is thick enough to hold as a binding agent, to be honest with you. I don't know. I mean, there's no harm in trying, but I don't know how well it's gonna bind when you put it into the oven. Because you think about like all the other sauces, right? You're talking about barbecue sauce, you're talking about regular marinara sauce, even Alfredo sauce for a pizza. They have like a certain like consistency with them that helps them like bind to the crust.